Hello friends, this is Amritesh and you're watching Welltech Speaks YouTube channel. In this video, we will take a look at the standard term life insurance plan which was announced by the Insurance Regulatory Authority of India, which is the IRDAI, and it has been named Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. This plan comes with standard terms and conditions aimed to provide a simple product to the customer and also deepen the reach of the insurance product. Now, before we take a look into the features and benefits under the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana, request you to subscribe and share the Welltech Speaks YouTube channel among your network as it helps the channel to grow. The complete details about the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana is also available on the Welltech Speaks blog. The link is shared in the description section of the video. Now let's know more about this product Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana is available across all insurers from 1st of January 2021. The policy comes with standard terms and conditions and insurers need to implement the same in their respective plans. Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana is a non-linked, non-participating individual pure risk premium life insurance plan, which means it's a term life insurance. So in terms of on maturity, you are not going to get any benefit from this product. So this is a pure risk cover which is being offered in this plan. Policy premium will be set by the insurers based on the tenure, policy covered, age of the policyholder, and so on. Benefits and riders will be strictly restricted to the ones stated in the annexure. No additional option will be available. Product will be offered to individuals without any discrimination based on gender, place of residence, travel, profession, or educational qualification. Now let's look at the key features under the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. The minimum entry age is 18 years, while the maximum entry age is capped at 65 years. The policy tenure varies from 5 years to 40 years. The maximum maturity age is again capped at 70 years of age. The minimum sum assured offered under the plan is 5 lakhs and it goes up to rupees 25 lakhs. However, the insurer has the option of providing higher risk cover, but it is purely dependent on the insurer. One gets multiple premium payment option under the plan. One can opt for a single premium payment or limited period payment of 5 years or 10 years. Apart from that, policyholder also get the option of paying the premium on a monthly, semi-annual or annual basis. On the unfortunate event of death of the policyholder, the sum assured in the plan will be given to the nominee. There is no maturity benefit, which I have stated earlier also. So no maturity benefit is payable in this case because this is a term life insurance, so it only covers the risk. The notable exclusion under the plan is suicide as per the extent regulation, which means for the initial period the cases of suicide will not get the benefit. Optional riders like personal accident benefit and permanent disability benefit riders may be extended by the insurers. Now let's look at the benefits under the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. Standard terms and conditions make it simpler for individuals to take an informed decision regarding the product. Short policy tenure of 5 years is also available, which is not available with other term life insurance. So it is viable for individuals looking for short tenure policies. The only notable restriction, or I will say the exclusion, is suicide as per the extant regulations. So in terms of restrictions or exclusions which are there, only suicide for the initial period. In case of suicide, the benefits will not be awarded to the nominee, but rest everything is covered under the policy. Policy is open to all without any discrimination on account of age, sex, occupation, location, or even the qualification. Individuals unable to avail other term plans may consider Saral Jeevan Bima for pure life cover. Lower income group may consider availing as low sum assured is possible under the policy, and it allows them to maintain the premium at affordable rates. Since the sum assured over here is of 5 lakhs, which is the minimum amount, so individuals may opt for that, and the premium which they need to pay will remain at an affordable level. The product aims to increase the penetration of life insurance product among lower income group. Income tax deduction is also available as per the existing norms. Now in the last slide, I am going to share my opinion about the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. As I have discussed it many a times in this video, the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana is a very transparent product as it comes with standard terms and conditions. Simple features make it easier for even the layman to understand the coverage offered under the product. Exclusion only includes suicide as per the extant regulations, which I have discussed earlier also. Policy comes with minimum tenure of 5 years and minimum sum assured of 5 lakhs, making it affordable for many. Initially, the premium rates appear to be steep as exclusions are restricted. So the premium rates, if you compare it with other term life insurance plan, it is definitely higher. Now this is because there are very less restrictions and there are not many exclusions under the policy, and that's why the premium which you need to pay will be on the steeper side because of the minimal exclusions which you are having under the product. Policy is ideal for individuals who do not have access to other term plans or are looking for minimum basic cover. So this was my opinion about the Saral Jeevan Bima Yojana. Hope you found this video to be helpful, and in case you found this video to be helpful, I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video among your network. So that's it from my side. This is Amritesh signing off, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.